Brain Gain is sponsored by the Moransky Companies, Sweeney Chevrolet Buick GMC, and the Mahoning Valley Manufacturers Coalition.
Women in 3D Printing is actually an organization that was founded in 2014, and it was founded by a lady named Nora in California. So she started this first chapter in California, and she saw the need to start expanding that chapter. And now we have a chapter in Youngstown, and there's over 50 chapters across 20 countries, which is just amazing. But the reason is because women in engineering, manufacturing fields, it's a small amount of women in those fields. So this is an opportunity to get women together, to talk about what's going on, to cheer each other on, and really get each other excited to keep going in the industry. So we decided to have a Women in 3D Printing panel just to kind of, again, see what's going on in the industry, get these fantastic women who are president and researchers that are in additive manufacturing here to talk about what they're doing.
Engineering, manufacturing, it's very diverse, dynamic, and growing field, especially additive manufacturing. It's a growing field, and it's very interdisciplinary.
In terms of just engineering in general, women don't see themselves being in those positions. So it's a lack of education at a very young age that women can do what men are doing. It's just exposing them to that type of, job or skill set.
There is a lot of talk about encouraging women in STEM disciplines, right? But if she's not good at that, why would you encourage her to do it? Because you're setting her up for failure. First, they have to be good, and not only that, they have to be passionate about it. They should like it first. They should, feel that they want to pursue that kind of career or line of work first before you will start encouraging her to actually go for it. Perhaps she will say, I really like this engineering thing, but I'm not sure I will be good at it. Then you encourage her to go for it, right? Because you can excel at anything if you put a work to it.
We need to encourage children to follow their passion. Once they understand it's okay to follow what you love, like whatever that is, follow that. It's going to get you to where you want to go. You're going to have that strength because you're enjoying what you're doing to continue doing what you love.
But if you are passionate about STEM, manufacturing, engineering, just go for it. You will be working alongside of very talented people, male and female, and you will just, create future together.
Now going into more of a professional field, if I'm the only woman in a room, I take that as an advantage now because people are looking at me, so that's an opportunity for me to continue to grow. So it's just the perspective and really encouraging women to take on these different roles. And additive manufacturing really opens that up because it is cleaner, so more women are interested in going into it since it's not heavy machinery and dirty and stuff like that.
Brain Gain is sponsored by the Moransky Companies, Sweeney Chevrolet Buick GMC, and the Mahoning Valley Manufacturers Coalition.